going on, Auto Lust gang? Today we going to the biggest, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, custom rim and tire shop in Florida. Crusin Gold, located in Melbourne, Florida. I know you guys remember me telling you that I had a bent wheel on my 650. One of the factory wheels was bent, so today we're gonna get that taken care of. You know, we're gonna get the wheels put on the balancer and see which one is bent. I know it's one of these two that I got packed back there in the back of the X5, and we're gonna get that taken care of for good, you know. And then when I get there, we're gonna do a good walk around, you know, let you guys see the shop, let you guys see the huge inventory they keep in stock, and also let you guys see a lot of the other stuff they do. And I'm gonna show you guys how crazy this shop is here. This is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, rim shop, custom shop in Florida. Like I said, guys, if this isn't the biggest, this is one of the biggest in Florida. And check this out. The one of the owners there, I'm not gonna bother him. This is for my YouTube channel. Now guys, check this out right here. Tell me this isn't beautiful. Full lift suspension in the front, brand new wheels and tires. All done here at Crusin Gold, Melbourne, Florida. Gorgeous, gorgeous. That is gorgeous. These are the guys that make it happen. What's up, guys? They're getting this baby in the air right here. They also do rim repair. Like you see, this three-piece wheel here or two-piece wheel here was leaking. And no, this is a three-piece wheel. And they redo the sealant between the three pieces of the wheel to stop it from leaking. And here are the old wheels from the M6. As you guys can see, it's no longer black anymore because the wheel was cracked here. So we're gonna get that fixed, and maybe we'll use them and maybe we won't. We don't know. But these are the wheels from the 650. They're gonna take the bends out of those wheels to get them back right. Yeah, but these guys have a huge selection: wheels, tires, custom work. They do truck lifts. Like, look how many tire machines these guys have here. Full service shop, full service. Take you guys in the back here. They also have ASC certified mechanics, European domestic. Here we have a S550 getting the oil change. They do fleet vehicles from mile to mile. Beautiful CNC machines. If you want to change the bolt pattern on your wheel, bring it right here. Crusin Gold, baby. I'm gonna put a link down in the description where you guys can reach Crusin Gold, and also leave the number down in the description. And this is usually off limits to customers, but you know, I'm a special case, so they let me back. And also, guys, just the showroom in general, I don't know if you guys paid attention, but it's gorgeous. Like, check out the counters and the floors, guys. It's gorgeous. It was just remodeled not too long ago, and they did a great job. Great job. This is a beautiful place here. They have t-shirts, cash counter. And this is the customer waiting room, guys. Isn't this beautiful? Top line appliance and mattress. Guaranteed lowest price. That's gorgeous.
That's good.
All right, guys, we're back in the garage. I finally got the car back, and what's messed up is all four wheels was bent, not just these two. It was all four, you know, so I end up having to take the entire car down to Crusin because I didn't want to take the other two wheels off and ride it down there, so I just limped the car down there. You know, I had somebody follow me, and now they got this thing doing easily 100 plus miles an hour. No shake, no anything. It actually rides better than it did when I first bought the car. But you guys know these aren't the wheels I'm keeping on the car. I can't wait to get the 22s mounted up and balanced, and you guys are gonna see that. But what I have coming up next for you guys that's been asking in the first exhaust clip video, you know, that really was an exhaust clip video, not a good one anyways, because I was in the car. You guys got a chance to hear the exhaust, but not really hear it. So what I'm going to do in the real exhaust clip video that's going to include the M6 and the 650 is I'm gonna do exhaust clips and exhaust sounds in sport mode and sport plus mode in both cars, heavy passes and light passes, and exhaust revs in both modes, so you guys can get the essence of what these cars really sound like, you know, outside of the car. You know, so that's going to be coming up in the video here shortly soon. But what I need you guys to do right now is like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you guys for coming back who've already subscribed. And welcome to the channel for any new subscribers. Thank you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one.